Hello, my name is McBride. I'm an off-tech instructor for Chevron Training. On this piece here we're going to show you an indoor appliance, a condensing module. On this, on your part of your assessment, you will be required to fault find 3 faults, remedy the faults and then service the appliance. On this we will give you guidelines on how to use this piece of equipment here, which is very important, called a smoke pump. What you have is you have your chart and carbon filters. We're going to remove one of these carbon filters. Now I'm going to put in this smoke pump into the boiler, looking for the requirement gauge between 0 and 1. I now remove the smoke pump. On the reading it shows here that we have a combustion problem. As I said earlier, we were looking between 0 and 1. We're now working on a graph by sliding it behind on darker than 9. So this tells me straight away we have a combustion problem, be it air or fuel. Now I can address the problem. When you've serviced the boiler here by replacing the nozzle and removing this chamber door here, checking the combustion chamber inside, removing any debris that's there by brushing over, rearranging the nozzle, the baffle plates, replacing the door, bringing the burner back in on its locking position. On this process here, you introduce your probe into your flue, your boiler's firing, and you're now looking for the required O2 and CO2. Ideally, it's between 11 and 12 on your CO2 you're looking for. When you've established that by regulating your air, you then do a printout, send it from here to the catchment here. You're looking for 2 printouts, one for yourself and one for your customer. This shows true professionalism. Firing it up, and then this piece of equipment here. This here is a flue analyzer. It will give you a CO2 readout, an oxygen readout, and most important, the efficiency of the appliance you just serviced. This is now a requirement for all servicing, and this is what off-tech want to maintain. They need to bring these standards up, that we have competent people servicing our appliances and giving a good maintenance record. The equipment that you see in front of you here is your smoke pump, your smoke guide, your analyzer, your printout, your gauges, your vacuum gauge, your pressure gauge, and the most important piece is your voltmeter. Now you're showing good practice and you're improving the environment that we live in. Thank you.